Want to know the best way to upgrade your XLS file to XLSX? If yes, download BitRecover Batch XLS Upgrade and Downgrade Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy-to-use application to upgrade your Excel files without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. First of all, read all the information mentioned in the software starting window. Once agree, tap on the Next button. Now, the user has two modes to browse Excel file from the system. Choose from Select File and Select Folder option. Here, we choose the Select File mode to browse XLS files manually and then click on Open. User can also check the Select Folder mode to upload a complete Excel file folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. Now, click on the Next button to continue the process. After this, the software analyzes the chosen Excel files and then lists in the software folder. Now, user need to mark the checkbox of required Excel files. Now, click on the Next button to continue the process. Click on the folder-like icon and choose the destination path of converted files. Click on Convert button to start the conversion process. Once completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on OK button. The trial version of the software has the ability of converting first 5 Excel files. The license edition of the software has no limitation for converting multiple XLS file. The software automatically opens the resultant location and get the conversion files.